What kind of works are done by most of the mothers? Chat GPT. Mothers typically take on a variety of roles and responsibilities, which can vary widely depending on cultural, societal, and individual family circumstances. Here are some common tasks and roles that many mothers perform: household management, cooking, preparing meals for the family, cleaning, maintaining the cleanliness and order of the home, laundry, washing and ironing clothes, childcare, nurturing and emotional support, providing love, care, and emotional support to children, education and homework help, assisting children with their schoolwork and fostering a learning environment at home, health and well-being, taking care of children's health needs, including scheduling doctor's appointments and managing illnesses, financial management, budgeting, managing household finances and budgeting, shopping, purchasing groceries, clothing, and other household necessities, transportation, chauffeuring, driving children to and from school, extracurricular activities, and appointments. Employment, working outside the home. Many mothers also hold jobs outside the home to contribute financially to the family. Remote work, work from home. Some mothers work from home, balancing professional responsibilities with household tasks. Emotional and social coordination. Family events and traditions. Organizing family gatherings, holidays, and special events. Social coordination, managing social schedules including play dates and family outings, community involvement, volunteer work, participating in community service, SCO,